Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these, a commercial art, commercialized area, a city.
The same sound, it constitutes an octave. To understand this in music, you have to study physics. Right. Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive.
You have to take,
So it's the A but a higher frequency. Now we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now why are we hearing octaves? Octave is quite a phenomenon. It turns out that based on our biological evolution, we and our Homo sapiens, our survival mechanism.
Knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk.
Being able to solve problems.
Okay.
I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that,
Then you have like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
Logarithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So